Hello students, today we all of learns about the next topic chapter. Cell is the basic unit of life. In the previous session, we all of know what is the cell, general components of the cell, protoplasm, etc. Today, we all of know types of cell. Types of cell. Types of cell. जनरली सेल कितने टाइप्स की होती है? द सेल्स आर based on their composition and formation. It is two types. Number one, prokaryotic cell, and second is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. The first is prokaryotic cell and second is eukaryotic cell. First of all, we know about prokaryotic cell. The prokaryotic cell word, the prokaryotic word is made up of two words. Pro means primitive. Primitive and karyo means nucleus. Means those cells which composed of primitive nucleus is known as prokaryotic cell. ऐसी सेल्स जिसका जो न्यूक्लियस होगा बहुत ही प्रिमिटिव होगा, मतलब बहुत ही पुराना या बहुत ही सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में होगा, तो उसे हम कहेंगे prokaryotic cell. Examples of prokaryotic cell: bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue green algae, etc. These are the various examples of the prokaryotic cells. Okay. The prokaryotic cells, bacteria, was first discovered by Antoine Leeuwenhoek. The smallest bacteria is the mycoplasma. It is the smallest cell on the earth. Mycoplasma. It is the smallest cell on the earth. The other name of mycoplasma is the PPLO. Pleuropneumonia like organism. It is the smallest cell on the earth. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Structure of prokaryotic cell. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल की स्ट्रक्चर्स कैसी होती है? द प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स जनरली बैक्टीरियाज आर फाउंड इन द वेरियस फॉर्म्स, दैट इज रॉड शेप, spherical, comma shaped, rod shaped, spherical, comma shaped, and other forms. These are the various forms or shapes of the prokaryotic cells. Rod shape means rod shape, spherical shape, comma shape, various shapes. The bacterial cell generally composed of following structures: It is the outer membrane. Ribosomes. DNA. Flagella. Mesosomes. shell wall, the plasma membrane, cytoplasm, these are the various structures which are generally present in the bacterial cells are prokaryotic shell. The outermost covering is known as outer membrane. It is generally made up of glycolex and it protects to the bacteria from external pressure or any chemicals, fire, etc. In the middle regions, a layer is present known as shell wall. The cell walls are made up of various components, cellulose, chitin, etc. The innermost layer is the plasma membrane. The innermost layer is plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is semi-permeable membrane. Plasma membrane कैसी membrane है? Semi-permeable membrane होती है. It is made up of protein, fatty acids and oligosaccharides. It has both natures, hydrophobic as well as hydrophilic. Hydrophobic as well as hydrophilic. It permits molecules, selectable molecules from one cell to another cells. It helps with the exchanging of materials from one cell to another cell by the process of osmosis and diffusions. In the cytoplasm, ribosomes are present. The ribosomes are 70S type. Single DNA is present without nuclear membrane. एक सिंगल डीएनए होता है और उसके चारों तरफ कोई न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन प्रेजेंट नहीं होती है. Histone proteins are also absent in them. Generally, the bacterial DNA is the circular and known as plasmid. The inner membrane folded in the some regions known as mesosomes, which take part in the respiration or oxidation of foods. The external membrane composed of hair-like structures that help in the locomotions known as flagella. So these are the various structures which are present in the bacterial shells. Based on taking of staining, it is two types: gram positive and gram negative. Gram positive bacteria and gram negative. Gram negative. Gram positive means the bacteria which staining with the gram stains or alcohol to express purple or blue color is known as gram positive. Its cell wall is thick. Cell wall is thick. It is less resistant to the antibiotic. Gram negative, the bacteria which does not takes stain when the washing with gram stains or alcohol is known as gram negative. Its cell wall is thin. It is much resistance for the antibiotics. So based on the staining, the bacterials are two types, gram positive and gram negatives. Okay. In some bacteria, specific pigments is present known as chromatophore. Chromatophores. The chromatophores are color bodies. It's generally present in the autotrophic bacteria which synthesize own food themselves, known as chromatophores. So it is the structures of the bacterial cells.